Hello, this is Saubarnika, currently pursuing final year of BSc Biotechnology under School of Life Sciences at BS Abdul Rahman Crescent Institute of Science and Technology. Our campus is extremely pleasant, greenery, eco-friendly, and more importantly, the campus is enabled with a free Wi-Fi access to all. Our department has got some attractive infrastructure and it is extremely sophisticated, and also our classrooms are extremely spacious that creates a very pleasant environment for the students like us that acts as a factor for the learning process. Particularly, our laboratories is equipped with several advanced equipments, and more importantly, these were well maintained and neatly organized. Our faculties are student friendly and always keep motivating us by providing projects, assignments, and presentations to do more. Each and every concepts are taught in depth in an extremely lucid manner, and especially during the tight pandemic situations that we are currently facing, online classes have been conducted seamlessly for an effective teaching learning process, which are extremely intriguing and interactive as the traditional chalk and talk process. So in addition to this learning process, various opportunities have been constantly providing for us to go and have a visit to the research laboratories to gain a profound insight of what actually we learn under the name of practical applications. And also various workshops, webinars, seminars have been conducted constantly in order to expand or extend our knowledge further. And in addition to this academic part, various co-cultural events has been conducted constantly, like Intron and Exon, to embrace our skills, be it singing or dancing or what sort of category to note of. To mention particularly, our department is tied up with the various international collaborations, which I think that is a main highlight to note of. So finally, I'm feeling indeed glad that for having me to be a part of the department, and I'm extremely grateful for inculcating the interest for endless learning and nourishing and molding me further. Thank you.